Here is the Etheric analytical engine. It looks like a giant brass box. Workers built it in 1882. This machine runs on steam and gears. It can store numbers like a modern computer. People could program it with punched cards. The cards look like stiff paper with holes. The engine reads the holes with a series of levers. Levers then move tiny brass gears. Gears spin and turn copper wires. Wires carry tiny electric sparks. Sparks act like ones and zeros in a digital world. This makes the engine calculate very fast. The engine can add, subtract, multiply, and even draw simple pictures. It even stores data on rotating drums. Drums hold many small metal pins. Pins move up and down to mark a bit of information. Workers use steam pressure to keep the drums turning. Steam pushes pistons that pull the drum rods. This system lets the engine run for hours without stopping. Nobody believed a steam box could compute like this. Engineers laughed, but the creator proved them wrong. He showed a map of the world drawn by the engine. The map changed every minute as new data arrived. This changed everything for navigation. Product designers later borrowed its look for movies. Modern makers now build tiny steampunk computers for art. They use 3D printed gears instead of cast brass. The spirit of the engine lives on. It reminds us that old tools can do new work. If you watch the gears move, you feel the pulse of history. You can hear the clack of each tooth. You see steam drift like breath. The engine teaches us that imagination can turn metal into magic. This story shows how a Victorian dream can match a modern laptop. It invites us to look at the past with fresh eyes. So next time you see a gear, think of the Etheric engine. Imagine what other old inventions could become today. The possibilities are endless.